with the passion of creating the world's finest denim. In 2009, Denim Expert Limited was created in Chattogram.
Today, if you see to the Denim Expert Limited, we try to include everybody, and our one of the philosophy is leaving no one behind, and it's an inclusive everyone and take everybody into the organizations.
আমার ফ্যামিলিতে এখন আমাকে নিয়ে অনেক গর্ব করে। আমরা এখন সমাজের সাথে মিশতে পারতেছি। সমাজ আমাদেরকে এখন অন্য চোখে দেখে না।
আমি মনে করি ডেনিম এক্সপার্টে এসে আমার নিজের স্বপ্নকে পেয়েছি।
Our state-of-the-art design studio includes world-class lab facilities to monitor production and testing at every stage of the process. Denim Expert Limited has proudly launched its circular fashion brand. Denim Expert Limited is committed to equality in the workplace for all.
Let's show some leadership from us. Please do not wait for someone else will come and change the world. The change starts from you, the change starts from me, then let's change the world.
Welcome to the factory of inclusion and diversity. Denim Expert